Remember, there are different kinds of paragraphs. Here are a few of the kinds that you already know. Narrative paragraph, paragraph of information, and opinion paragraph. You have a purpose, the reason why you write, and an audience, the people who read your writing. You write each kind of paragraph for a different reason. So why do you write a narrative paragraph? You want to tell a story that your reader will enjoy. Why do you write a paragraph of information? You want to explain a topic to your reader. And why do you write an opinion paragraph? Because you want to share your thoughts and feelings with your reader. You have a purpose, the reason why you write, and you also have an audience, the people who read what you write. Let's look at a paragraph. What kind of paragraph do you think it is? For the past 2,800 years, people all over the world have been flying kites. In 2012 BC, the Chinese invented kites that could carry messages and test the wind's direction. By 1485, the Italian artist Leonardo da Vinci was designing kites based on the shape of birds' wings. Flying kites even inspired the Wright brothers to invent the airplane in 1903. To this day, when people fly kites, they reach towards the sky and the future. Well, what is the purpose of this paragraph? Does it tell the events of a story? Does it explain a topic? Or does it share the writer's ideas? No, this is a paragraph of information. It gives the reader facts about the topic kites and explains their history. The main idea of this paragraph is that all over the world, throughout history, people have been flying kites. Practice. Pick the kind of paragraph that could best be started by the sentence below. A diamond-shaped kite is the best for flying in a steady, light wind. So would this be a paragraph of information, a narrative paragraph, or an opinion paragraph? Right. A sentence like this could start an opinion paragraph on the topic of kites. Notice the main idea here is that the writer thinks a diamond-shaped kite is the best for flying in certain kinds of wind, in certain wind conditions.